Welcome to activity-based mode and innovations. This is basically entire room is filled with mathematical concepts and innovations, mostly created by my students. Please come. This is how to transform two-dimensional into three-dimensional. And here we do have beautiful artwork done by our students. One is discipline and attitude that yields 100% success. Say for alphabetically, if you assign the numbers A to Z and then write discipline and assign the assigned number and get the sum 100. Exactly same way attitude also you get 100%. So these are the things which motivate the students, young learners, and this is simply finding the square root of a number by using Omer-Khayyam's method, very ancient method which India has followed from the ages way unknown to us. So say for example, we need to find the square root of 1681. So we know that the closest perfect square number is 1600. Then we cut a square like this. This unknown part is x square because the area is x square and 40x. Together we add and we get a quadratic equation by solving. We get x1 and x is minus 1, 81 is invalid of course. Then 1 if you put here, then you get this line is 40 and 1, that is 41. So this is Omer-Khayyam's method. These are the concepts, these are the concept of application of geometry in the various life situations. This is a tripod, unevenly cut the legs. Even then it stands very firmly only because through 3 points one plane can pass through. And all other concepts are being projected here as well. This is why students have created how architecture and mathematics go hand in hand. And beautiful chart work by students on Pascal's triangle. As many as 7 to 8 concepts can be clarified through only single triangle, like probability of tossing a coin, sets, binomial theorem, Thales theorem, ratio of areas of similar triangles, midpoint theorem, algebraic identities, and a host of other concepts too. And these are different concepts of Ramanujan's law, Ramanujan's number, and of course coming to this beautiful presentation of how mathematics can be useful for sustainable development in our day-to-day life. Please put the screen, draw the screen. The spread of an epidemic, a mathematical concept. Prevention is better than cure. So there are S factors is there. When S is a factor, if greater than 1, it turns into an epidemic. When it's equal to 1, then it remains same as constant, the spread of that epidemic. And less than 1, then infection dies out. So therefore, our motive is to keep the spread factor less than 1. That is integrating mathematics in health sector. So thereby, can you imagine if one person is infected by a disease at 8 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. after half an hour, if he or she is infecting another 2 persons, and by 9 o'clock it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 4, and the series goes on multiplying in a geometric way, and the sum will be, oh God, imagine around 24 hours you get so much huge number of people are infected, and this is what we call an epidemic has burst into that. So the government's method should be that it should be the spread factor should be minimized, should be less than 1. Therefore, the formula being derived here by using mathematics, the exponential series and the graph of the infected persons, the number of infected persons, a formula can be derived, and here it is the calculation. If 10 people have flu is also a disease, it has different type of spread factors, then it can go up to this. Coming to different aspects of mathematics, You see trolley bags, so there are 4 digits, so you will just set your lock. So what is the probability that one can open the lock? My God, you can imagine, out of 10,000 only one single chance can be possible. That is why this is very, very safe. That is why very safe. The same safety is being used in ATM cards as well. Now, the best part of this, whatever subject we teach, let us integrate them into human values. Similarly, in mathematics, you see there are so many concurrent lines and it passes through only single point. And let the single point be as a humanity. Because let the points be Christianity, the lines be Buddhism, Islam, Jain, Hinduism, all pass through only single point, and that point is, we know, that is our humanity. So this is how mathematics can be integrated into values as well. Coming to beautiful place here. Here you can see how to integrate mathematics in a very, very simple concepts. Mathematics, suppose there is a land and it has to be divided by 4 people, and there are, unfortunately or fortunately, whatever it is, 4 trees are in a straight line, and they had a dispute to divide the land mass into equal area by cutting. But someone who knows mathematics, he or she will come and explain that don't cut the trees. Trees are very precious for our life. So let us devise some other way of doing the division, equal area, without cutting the trees. That is our concept. That is our sustainable development for the whole globe. So do not ever cut mercilessly the trees. Let us devise whether mathematics can be useful to divide this land mass into 4 equal parts among 4 brothers. Then, so this is in a beautiful manner being cut, and the equal areas. I will show you this from this model. Suppose lifting out the trees here, you see how the tree has been cut into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts, and you will find amazingly equal area. Amazingly equal area. And you see this? It is coming to be equal in area, and the trees were not cut. Actually, in the series, this kind of division can be done. So mathematics is not only confined into a book or in any academics. Mathematics should go beyond that, and it should be integrated into day-to-day life of our and it should improve our quality of life as well. These are the beautiful things which our students have created, and one mathematical opening garden. His Highness the Vice President of country who had inaugurated this. This is a very, very proud and historic moment for our school, and different media reflections how our students really excelled in mathematics competitions. CST Missouri students to compete in all India national level exhibition. CST students and Mathmania. CST Missouri holds Mathmania quiz, and so many activities we did. Everything is a testimony of the activities being done in CST Missouri. Thank you very much.